Hello everyone, welcome back to CJ Explores. In this vlog we're exploring one of the most beautiful destinations in all of Germany. It's known to be a very romantic city. It's Heidelberg.
So the main street of Heidelberg is actually very, very busy. This is the Hauptstrasse, and because it's quite a small old town and a very popular one at that, the street can feel like it's very, very busy with tourists. A lot of German travelers come here for their holidays.
Up there is the Heidelberg Castle and we are going to go up, of course. I think that you can walk up there, but you can also get like a little tram. So we're going to go find it because it looks very cute and makes it more exciting. There seems to be two queues, one at the actual counter, and we just went to the machine because there wasn't really a queue there, so I hope we've done that right.
There's €9 per ticket, and we're just joining the queue now to get up to the funicular.
Nächster Halt, Station Schloss. Für den Schlossbesuch bitte aussteigen. Next stop, Castle Station. Please leave here to visit the castle.
This is the stairway access. If you don't want to take the little tram, you can walk up the stairs. We chose not to today because it's a bit warm, a bit sweaty. We're here now and we're going to go and check out Heidelberg Castle.
We are inside the Heidelberg Castle now. We're in the courtyard, and what started out as a very, very cloudy, sad-looking day has turned into a beautiful afternoon here. And there's some cool features here, so we hope to learn a little bit more about it. Already I can see an interesting-looking flag. I guess this is for the region we're in, Baden-Württemberg. And there is a really cool sundial on the wall. Have a look at this.
This is a very, very pretty view. You can see all down onto the river, all over Heidelberg city. Yeah, it's gorgeous up here.
So from up at Heidelberg Castle, you can see the Neckar River. Now this one flows into the Rhine, which I think is actually one of the biggest ones in Europe. It's a massive river, runs all through multiple countries. But from up here, you get a really good perspective of the situation of Heidelberg. It's nestled in between mountains everywhere, so there's a lot of beauty in this landscape, and this is just the best point of view to see it all really, from the castle right up here overlooking the old town of Heidelberg.
I don't know what to expect from this, but it just was a sign saying big barrel this way, so we're going there. It looks like a cellar. Ah, I see a big barrel. Oh my god, I thought we found the big barrel, but we continue around the corner and there's a barrel in here. Twice the size of the other big barrel we thought was a big barrel. You can walk around, on top of and below, alongside the big barrel. I presume this is the big barrel.
Yeah, let's hope there's not a bigger barrel than this.
Standing on top of the big barrel. Within this castle is actually a bakehouse. You can do wine tasting here in the big barrel, and there's also a restaurant.
Well, that was very cool in there. The only thing that I think was missing was a little bit of information about the big barrel and the room we were in. Seemed like they were really making good use of that area though. It was converted into like a bar restaurant sort of area. You could do some wine tastings, get a cup of coffee, a little bit of food. I think that's really cool that they're still using that enormous space for stuff that we can benefit from today. There was a TV with a little bit of a 4-minute film about the history of the castle, so we were able to learn about different parts, about who built what, which was quite interesting, but I think it's probably best to get a guide here. It's only €6 per person, so maybe we should have done that. No, the information is a little bit lacking on the on placards and things like that.
Not a bad place to have a little restaurant, is it?
No, inside a castle.
Very beautiful. I'm not sure what it is, but the castle was destroyed in the Grand Alliance War in the 17th century. So there is some ruins around here, and it hasn't had much restoration since, apart from some of the work obviously the people that are taking care of it now do. But there's so much forest around here. It's very magical, isn't it? Yeah. Like German fairy tale, Hansel and Gretel vibes. Well, hopefully not quite.
So to the east of the castle, you have these beautiful, big, wide open palace gardens. It seems to just stretch all around the hillside, and it's just this huge expanse of green area with nice trees. And you have this beautiful balcony railing all the way around. It's really nice.
Time for a little water break. And I think that this is probably one of the more prettiest spots we could find. So this part of the castle is actually free to enter. You can walk up here from Old Town and you can just enjoy a nice little picnic in these garden areas. However, if you have the ticket, then of course you can go into the castle grounds itself and you can go on a little tram. But if you just want a nice place to come and sit, go for a little walk, bring some snacks and a drink, and look at this area. Perfect.
Yeah, this walk just gets better and better. We're actually coming out now, like sort of jutting out from where the castle is. And you've just got this awesome view of the old town, the river, and everything along it, the bridges. It's just so beautiful. And in the distance, we can see the forest on the other side.
Great view of the castle from here, isn't there? And you can see all down to the city, all down to the river. Okay guys, this is just for you. We thought we'd walk down so we can show you the stair option to get to the castle. We're going to go down though, a bit easier for us, but it's 600 meters. Let's go.
Very cute, isn't it?
It's very cute. Corey, I just saw a little red squirrel. It was so cute. It just went over there, jumped onto the fence and into the trees. There is some beautiful houses around here. Corey, there's one behind you that looks like it should be part of the castle. Oh my gosh. Proper German fairy tale buildings, these.
Yeah, all of these houses that we're passing are just so like German, these towers, and they just look so magical.
Woo! Not too bad at all, but it would hurt going up, especially in summertime. Probably be okay in the cooler seasons, but summer's been really hot this year in Europe. And yeah, I'm glad we were going down, not up. Yeah, back in the main square of Old Town, and we are hungry. So we're gonna go find some food. We're gonna have a snack, go for a wander, and then come back for dinner because Corey really wants these fries. A quick potato break because Corey has to have potatoes every day. I'm hoping we can get some proper dinner later, but we'll see. By the riverside now. It is a very nice afternoon. It's clouded over a little bit, but that's made it nice and cool for us. This is the Beautiful river on Heidelberg, and we're actually going to walk this direction because we're going to go over the Old Bridge.
Well, we're on the Old Bridge of Heidelberg now, and there are actually some maintenance works going on the bridge, so it's not probably as aesthetically pleasing as it usually is, but it is home for people to do a bit of busking and just come and enjoy the sights from the river, because we can see from here Heidelberg Castle, the Palace Gardens, and all the way down the Neckar. You can do tours on boats along here. I think they're pretty cheap, like between 6 to 12 euros. And yeah, it's a beautiful part of the old town. It's nearly 250 years old. So a bit of history here. What is it?
I don't know, German. Schlangwang. Very higgledy-piggledy of path.
So this lovely walk, it's very steep, but it's lovely. It's called the Philosopher's Way. It has something to do with the university and being the first university in Germany. There was actually 2 in Europe. I believe it was Prague and Vienna. Then there was a massive disease outbreak in Prague. They picked Heidelberg as it was far enough away from Prague. The contagious disease wouldn't spread this far. And so they chose here, the oldest university in Germany.
We found a lovely little spot to rest and philosophize on the Philosopher's Way. It is very steep, very hot, but Corey says that a little bit further up it starts to just flatten out and then it'll just be like a straight walk, but I can see people quite high up. I think he's lying to me. I read that there's a lot of philosophers that used to inhabit Heidelberg, and that's why the term Philosopher's Way came about, because they used to philosophize walking around here, looking back at the beautiful Heidelberg city. Are we there yet?
No,
I mean, I don't think this is flattening out. I think Corey is fibbing. But the view just keeps getting better and better, so that is worth it.
yeah, this is the bit.
Ah, brilliant. Ta-da!
Yes, we've got to the part where it flattens out now, so that's nice. It's actually cooled down a lot as well. The sun is starting to set, and the clouds are covered over, so it's just cooling down from here on in. This is good. And we still have a beautiful scenic walk above Heidelberg.
So we have a map here.
We can see over the other side of the hill, actually, the cable car that we took up. I think it's a cable car or a tram. Up to the second station, which we didn't go to. We went to the first station, and then if you want to continue, you can go all the way up to the top of King's Hill. It's a different ticket, so you need to pay extra for that. But that is something else you can do, and you can get the opposite view to this side, which will be cool.
This walk just keeps on giving and giving. This is another little garden area, and it's so pretty. There's all these flowers in bloom. We've gone past like children's playgrounds. We've gone past some information actually about the name behind Philosopher's Way. But this is a lovely spot if you're looking for somewhere to sit and philosophize. Just people doing yoga because I really miss it. My busy little bees lately, and not had a chance to practice yoga in a while. Nice spot though, isn't it, to do some of your exercise. You see a lot of people going for a jog, like up Philosopher's Way, so good on them because that was steep. People cycling, there's people here down by the riverside doing yoga, and there's also spikeball down there, which we have seen a lot of in Europe. I haven't seen it much in the UK, but I keep hearing it, and I've heard it being talked about in America too. I've never played it, and it's really growing in popularity. So I think we need to go and have a go of that one day. Gone up. So every time a cyclist goes past, this records it, and as you can see, they've had close to 2 million cycles go past, so well done. It's So we're walking back to our hotel and we came across this little Thai place. So we thought we'll grab a table outside and have some. We're just gonna grab a curry and some noodles maybe. And we have a beautiful sunset in that direction. But to be honest, we can't really see it. But the vibes are there. Yeah, look at that. So much more exciting when it comes out different, isn't it? I have candles under my Thai. Yum, yum, yum. We have come across so many Thai restaurants in Heidelberg. I don't know why, if there's a big Thai community here. If you know, let us know in the comments. But we're not sad about it because Thai is our favorite food. Yum, yum, yum. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
So we have come to one of the many lovely cafes here in Heidelberg. There are so many nice little cute cafes. Like I said, it's a university city, so I guess a lot of that is fueled by caffeine. This one here is called Nomad, and it has quite a few vegan options actually, so we're pretty stoked to find it. Charlotte's gone for a chocolate acai bowl, and I've gone for the vegan waffles with a mocha. So thank you. Well, that is it for our time here in Heidelberg. I really hope you guys have enjoyed our vlog.
If so, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to support us more, then hit the join button. That really helps us and we'll be very grateful. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye.